Sometimes we grow up believing that life has only one right path for us, one dream course, one perfect future, one clear direction, and we hold on it so tightly because it feels like our identity, our goal, our success, and our entire future. We build our expectation around it. We imagine ourselves becoming that person already. We picture success as something straight ahead, no detours, no delay. But life is not always like that. And sometimes, life doesn't give you what you plan. I used to believe my future was already decided. Even before I graduated, I had a clear dream course in mind. I didn't just want it. I feel like it was meant for me. I imagined everything. Waking up so early as a student. Walking into my dream classroom. Listening to lessons I was passionate about. Feeling proud because I finally where I belong. It wasn't just a course to me. It feels like my identity. But then, reality happened. And I don't get it. At first, I didn't know how to react. It wasn't just a sadness. It was deeper than that. It feels like a confusion. Something inside me suddenly stopped moving. I kept thinking about it over and over again. Why not me? Where did I go wrong? And was I not good enough? Did I fail before I even started? Because when you were young, you believe effort always equals results. You believe that if you dream hard enough and work hard enough, life will say yes. But reality slowly teaches you something else. Sometimes effort was not enough to control outcomes. Then came another decision I had to face. A different course, a more practical path, a safer option. At first, I didn't feel like a choice. It feels like something I had to accept. And honestly, I struggled with it because I keep comparing it, everything, every subject, every thoughts, every expectation I had before. I kept telling myself, this is not what I dream of. This is not my real path. I'm just settling. It feels like I lost something important. Like my original dream slowly fading away. But life has a way of slowly teaching you things you don't notice at first. Little by little, I started adjusting. At first, it was just an attendance, then assignments, then new lessons I had to understand. I met new people I didn't expect to meet. I learned things I never thought I would study. I experienced a version of myself I didn't plan for. And slowly, some things changed. It didn't suddenly become my dream, but it stopped feeling like a mistake. It started feeling like growth. I realized something important in the process. Not all paths are meant to feel right at the beginning. Some paths feel uncomfortable, some feel unfamiliar, and some like they don't belong to us at all. But that doesn't mean they were wrong. Sometimes they're just unfamiliar version of our future. And sometimes they are shaping us into someone stronger than we plan to become. I also learned that the purpose is not always a straight road. Sometimes it breaks. Sometimes it takes unexpected turns. Sometimes it feels like it breaks everything we planned. But even those broken plans can still lead somewhere meaningful. Just because it is different doesn't mean it is useless. Just because it is not what we wanted doesn't mean it's no value. And today, I am still learning. I may not in the course I once dreamed of, but I am learning to grow where I am placed. And it's not easy. There are still moments of doubt, moments where I wonder if, what ifs, moments where I think about the path I originally wanted. But there's also moments where I realize I am becoming stronger in ways I never expected. Maybe not the version I planned, but still a version that is growing. And maybe that's the real lesson. Not everything we want is what we need. And not everything we love is actually a loss. Sometimes, what we think is failure is actually a redirection, a quiet shift towards something we don't understand yet. So, if you're watching this and you didn't get your dream course, or your plans don't go the way you expected, I want you to remember this. You're not behind. You are not lost. You're not a failure. You're simply on a different path. And that path still has meaning, even if you see it yet. Just because maybe our dream course is not the only way to our dream life. Maybe it's just the first version of who we thought we would become. And life is still waiting at the rest of our story.